Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, says the commission is ready to engage youth groups in the Niger Delta region to ensure lasting peace and development through the execution of projects and programs with direct bearing in their communities. Dr. Ogbuku made this known recently at the corporate headquarters of the Commission in Port Harcourt when he received in audience the National Executive and members of the Ijaw Youth Council, IYC.
Members of the Ijaw Youth Council, IYC, a socio-cultural pressure group that supports the interests of the Ijaw ethnic nation in Niger Delta, under the leadership of Jonathan Lokpobiri, were at the corporate headquarters of Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, in Port Harcourt to felicitate with one of their own, the MD and CEO of NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, on his reappointment as the helmsman of the intervention agency, as well as draw the attention of the Commission to the challenges of Ijaw ethnic group in the region. President of the IYC, Comrade Lokpobiri, while drawing the attention of the Commission to some critical projects within the region that have impacted negatively on the living condition of people in the region, such as the dilapidated East-West Road and the stalled Edo Gelegele Ofunama Road project, expressed his group's readiness to partner with the NDDC for economic liberation of its members.
It's a firm belief that this commission, being an interventionist agency, can intervene in certain critical areas to teach Ijaw people what we can do differently as a council in order to change the fortunes of our people. We can't continue to be a begay organization when we have laid every price that has brought us this far.
In his response, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of NDDC, Dr. Ogbuku, acknowledged that the IYC was a worthy partner in ensuring sustainable peace and development in the region.
The IYC today have pledged to support us, and what we only need is their support, their cooperation to ensure that they bring about peace in the Niger Delta. Partnering with them to ensure that, yes, youths in the Niger Delta all fall in line in place to understand the policies of the government.
Other members of the Ijaw Youth Council, while applauding the reappointment of Dr. Ogbuku, were confident that he would deliver on the job.
With Samuel Ogbuku, the Niger Delta Development Commission will take a new shape. And this new shape in terms of creating employment, in terms of human capacity building, most especially in the issues of abandoned projects in the Niger Delta.
Ogbuku track record from his days as a leader in the Ijaw Youth Council down to his first appointment before his reappointment shows that he has the capacity to give to the Niger Delta people what is due to them.
In line with his mandate to facilitate the sustainable development of the Niger Delta region, Dr. Ogbuku-led NDDC management team has entered into strategic partnerships with critical stakeholders in the past 10 months. So far, the partnerships have been yielding positive results in conceptualization and implementation of projects and programs such as Project Hope, through which youth across 9 states of the Niger Delta are to be trained in diverse skills acquisition programs.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Inside the Niger Delta,